Top 10 Tips for Financial Success. Although making resolutions to improve your financial situation is a good thing to do at any time of year, many people find it easier at the beginning of a new year. Make sure you know what your job is worth in the marketplace, by conducting an evaluation of your skills, productivity, job tasks, contribution to the company, and the going rate, both inside and outside the company, for what you do. No matter how much or how little you're paid, you'll never get ahead if you spend more than you earn. Often it's easier to spend less than it is to earn more, and a little cost-cutting effort in a number of areas can result in savings. An important step to consider when trying to get ahead financially is budgeting. After all, how can you know where your money is going if you don't budget? How can you set spending and saving goals if you don't know where your money is going? You need to set up a budget whether you make thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. Credit card debt is the number one obstacle to getting ahead financially. Those little pieces of plastic are so convenient to use, and it's so easy to forget that it's real money we're dealing with when we whip them out to pay for a purchase, large or small. If your employer offers a 401k plan, or another type of employer-sponsored retirement savings program, you should consider contributing to it if you can afford to. Often, with 401k plans, your employer will contribute the same amount that you put toward your account up to a certain percent. If you wait until you've met all of your other financial obligations before seeing what's left over for saving, chances are you'll never have a healthy savings account or investments. Resolve to set aside a minimum of 5% of your salary for savings before you start paying your bills. If you're contributing to a retirement plan and a savings account and you can still manage to put some money into other investments, all the better. Make sure you're maximizing yours and taking advantage of the ones that can save you money by reducing taxes or out-of-pocket expenses. Too many people are talked into paying too much for life and disability insurance, whether it's by adding these coverages to car loans, buying whole life insurance policies when term life makes more sense, or buying life insurance when you have no dependents. On the other hand, it's important that you have enough insurance to protect your dependents and your income in the case of death or disability. If you aren't careful about keeping thorough records, you're probably not claiming all your allowable income tax deductions and credits. It's much easier than scrambling to find everything at tax time, only to miss items that might have saved you money. Where can you get financial advice for free? Other types of financial advice may be provided for free, especially if you have a low income. For example, if you need help with taxes and your income isn't more than $73,000, then you can use the IRS Free File program. A credit union or local nonprofit agency may be available to offer free or low-cost debt advice. What's the best way to measure financial success? There are several methods of measuring financial success, and the best will depend on exactly how you define success. If you define success as being able to live comfortably, then you can measure it by comparing your income to your expenses and making sure you have plenty of money to pay your bills. Others want to see year-over-year net income growth by earning more and controlling their spending.